Hello all, welcome to Tasty Buds. Today I am going to show you how to make onion gojju, which is popularly known in Karnataka and can be made in 5 minutes, which can be eaten with chapati, puri, rice, dosa. So let's check the ingredients, what are required to make onion gojju, and it is also called as प्याज की chutney in Hindi. So here we require 3 bulb onion big size, 2 tomatoes, coriander leaves, curry leaves, green chili, curry leaves, dhania powder, half a tablespoon, teaspoon of garam masala powder, here again half a tablespoon of chili powder, turmeric powder. Since I am adding chilies into it, I have reduced chili powder. Here as you can see, I have added 3 tablespoons of oil which has been heated nicely. So I am adding now mustard, half a tablespoon. urud dal, jeera, so let it get splattered well. Now I am adding a teaspoon of turmeric, asafoetida. Usually for all the dishes we add asafoetida so that it takes out all the gases in the body. So when it turns to golden brown color, I am going to add onion which is finely chopped into small pieces. This is 3 bulb onion. Give a good stir. It is also called as pyaz ki chutney in Hindi, and in Tamil it is called as vengaya tokku. So it is called in different languages in different states. Very easy to make, just in 5 minutes. The only ingredients are onion and tomato. So after it turns into golden brown color, I am going to add green chilies, curry leaves together. Please try to watch my Tasty Buds channel for more updation. Not only about cooking, we also give the benefits of all the ingredients what I am adding. That is a speciality of Tasty Buds. So I am adding here green chilies, 3 to 4. It can be added according to your spiciness. So I have kept the flame into high. Once it gets roasted, I will lower the flame after adding tomatoes. So it has turned into golden brown color. Now it's time to add tomatoes into it. I am also adding curry leaves, 6 to 7 finely chopped. So I am going to give a big stir for this. So once you add tomatoes, give a good mix. so that the tomato oozes out the water. Keep it on to high flame. Do not reduce the flame till the tomato is finely smashed. I am adding quarter tablespoon of salt, adding a salt to it, it combines well. The rest of the ingredients will be followed. So here the chili powder. Chili powder could be added according to your spices which is required to you, and dhania powder and garam masala powder. So let the spices fry in the oil. Everything I am doing into a high flame. I am adding half glass of water to it, so that it leaves all the fragrance from all the ingredients and give a good taste. So I am just closing with the lid. Later on 5 minutes we will remove it and see the consistency. Now it is well cooked. For this also you can add paneer, mushroom as you prefer, green peas. Here I am adding coriander. This is a simple version of making onion gojju or प्याज की चटनी और वेंगाय तोक्कु. So this is a simple version of making onion gojju. So please try this and let me know in the comment section below.